up? It's your boy. So this is it. It's done. It's a wrap. This is the daylight view. You can see the whole thing, the design, all that's through. I'm gonna put a PDF download for this image, the one on my back. So if you want it, just click the PDF download, and you can get it. Last video you saw, I sanded and painted this whole thing over again. It's good. I did a test run with this thing outside tonight, and it's fogging up bad. So I'm going to change out the fan or reposition it to where it's blowing down like over my eyes to see if that fixes it. Because like your breath's hot, you go outside, and then the condensation's like just like your windows fogging from your car. So I'm gonna try to work on that. I did try the like Rain-X. As somebody commented, appreciate that. Didn't really do much. So if you guys got a better idea, if you got a specific fan or how I should position it, right now it's like blowing against my head. But I'm gonna try to maybe get a smaller one and that's easier to fit in here and it's blowing like down through my eyes, maybe. Just so there's like maybe that'll work, I don't know. But if you got any best practices, please comment below and let me know. This is, so then I got my belt. This is what I did with the wires. I just tucked them in here right now, but I'm gonna hide that even inside my pants. You can see what I did with you can see what I did with that. Those I was describing earlier. It's real comfortable, don't even know they're there. You can't even see it when I got it like this. This version's got this is a sweatshirt hoodie with a zip. This is in the description as well, the pants and the hoodie. Also off Amazon, I'll put a link for the description there. The pants, the belt, all this is in the description. I gave you the idea about the pants earlier where I put that liner on the inside so you can't see my knees. Works like a champ. I got regular basic white socks. These white shoes are dirt cheap. This is super, super, super cheap. But actually they feel pretty good. I was walking around for a couple hours in these today. Outside in the concrete grass works out fine. Links for the description to these shoes. If you're trying to do this on maximum budget, if you don't have all white shoes, this is an easy, cheap option. This is what it looks like. If I can get the remote. Let's see. Oh, geez, come on. There we go. I'm using one of two. If I had my other remote in my hand, it would be easier to match up. But if you have two different remotes, you have to, get it perfectly in sync. And then as you can see, you can cycle through all of it. I like having different patterns on the top and bottom, but this one, I'm going to adjust the brightness a little bit more on it. I did wear this, let me think, I wore it from almost 3 hours, and the 4 lights on both battery packs stayed lit. So if you can wear 3 hours, and it didn't even like ding one of the lights on it. So I'm gonna see if I can up the brightness without getting these to flash. And I might get a little bit brighter. The 10-inch one that I made for my son is really, really bright. And it was a definite noticeable difference. I'm gonna splice in the video that we have of us walking together so you can see the brightness difference. But again, I'm just gonna adjust this. So if you like this, give us a subscription. Comment again about the fogging up thing. That's like the last thing I want to do. I want to share that with you guys. And then the next project I'm gonna probably do. My other son was just talking to me, and I might do an official dead mouse helmet. That's gonna be, I think, my next to do this because that thing looks pretty cool. So again, appreciate the follows, subscribes, and we'll see you next time.